What's up guys, back here with another video today, and in today's video we're going to be getting back to work on these Lightning parts and finishing up the last of the parts for the build that we need to finish. We're basically all done. Besides, we got to polish these fuel rails and polish the auxiliary idler. I've been putting it off for far too long. The motor is just about done, and this is the last thing we have left to do, and I know if I don't do it, it's going to bother me. So I'm going to know that we never did it. It's going to be the first thing I think about when I open the hood of my truck, because I am just crazy OCD like that, and I know that it just didn't get done, and it will bother me forever. So we're going to get it done, and basically what we're going to try to do is remove all this pitting and corrosion on the fuel rails, and we're going to show you how to do that in case you have the same thing on yours. We're also going to try to bring back the shine of this auxiliary idler and kind of take away that dull aluminum look and make it a little more shiny and blingy. So we're going to show you how to do that, but first make sure you go right down here and click subscribe and subscribe to our channel. We're going to have all kinds of Ford Lightning how-tos to come, as well as just some tips and tricks and basically things that I've learned throughout the couple years that I've been building mine, the mistakes I've made, just some tips and tricks that help you guys out so you don't make the same mistakes I did, or just that way, you know, things are easier for you guys. So make sure you subscribe right here for those videos to come. Also going to be a ton of racing and just all kinds of content for you guys, especially Lightning content, but we do have some other builds in the works, so make sure you go check those out as well. But anyways, subscribe right here guys. Hit the notification bell, even though half the time it don't work and YouTube is broke, but hit it anyways just in case. Make sure you smash the thumbs up on this video as well so it gets it out there and we get more exposure for the channel, and I appreciate y'all. So we're gonna get to work on these fuel rails, get these all nice and pretty, and basically what I decided to use is chrome polish with some really fine steel wool. It's the finest one you can buy. I picked this up at Walmart, but they sell them at all your auto parts stores and whatnot. They should have them. Basically, it's really fine steel wool, as you can see. Super fine. Put some chrome polish on there. Work it in real good. Maybe put a little bit more and let it haze over. And then buff it with a microfiber. And we're going to see how that works out. For that, we also got some all metal polish. And that's going to be for the auxiliary idler. You can also use aluminum polish, all metal, aluminum polish, anything like that. And that should bring back the aluminum shine. I've used it before and it works really good. I used it on my aluminum wheels that I had, and it made them look really nice. So we're going to try that. We're going to go ahead and do the fuel rails first, because that's my most important thing I want to do. Make sure that gets done. So we're going to try a little bit of chrome polish, some steel wool, and buff it with some microfibers and see how we can get it to look. I'll do a once over so you guys have a before. You can see all the pitting on there. Hopefully the camera picks it up good. This side is actually not that bad, but it still does have some. But anyways, so yeah, let's get to work guys. saw us do the first pass, and what a difference already. You can really see there was a lot of pitting up here and most of it's come off. And look at that. Big difference. Almost all the pitting has come off and it looks nice and shiny. I am going to do several more passes just to get, because there's still some stuff in the cracks in there. But I mean, that is 90% better, if not more than that. I mean, I'd even be happy with that. I mean, that is night and day better. Yeah, so it definitely works, guys. So if your fuel rails are a little pitted or corroded, definitely give this stuff a shot, or any chrome polish, whatever chrome polish of your choice. Fine steel wool and just go to town, man. That's, I mean, for the first pass, that has 90% improved. So I'm happy with it. I'm gonna do probably a couple more passes just to get it up to my standards. We're also gonna take some simple green and degreaser and just wipe these lines down. I have seen someone on the forums use, I think it's called Tech Flex. It's like a line wrap. And I was thinking about using that. I'm not sure yet. I'm just gonna see if I can clean them up. I mean, you can't really see those anyways. But yeah, super happy with the results, guys. So if you want, give that stuff a shot for sure. It definitely works. I'm really happy with the results. We are still going to get to work on this guy. I'll do an area and show you how that works out as well. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so that worked out pretty good as well. It's probably doing it no justice inside, but it's definitely has a shine again. With a couple more passes, I think it'll be just the way we want it, but it's definitely shiny. I don't think the inside lining is doing it any justice, but it looks a lot better, night and day different. We're gonna hit the rest of it the same way. Clean up the wheel a little bit. It's got some belt dust and whatnot on it, so we're going to clean it up, shine it up, and that'll be it. We're pretty much done with the Lightning parts. We have everything ready to go and to be installed on the motor. And then I got a bunch of how-tos coming your guys' way, so definitely stay tuned. A lot of stuff coming, a lot of videos in the works. Basically just need my truck. And it's kind of hard to do how-tos without the vehicle here. So stay tuned, guys. It's definitely coming. Also, I don't know if I showed you guys this, but a huge shout out to Thomas McGee for getting me the front headlight fascia, whatever you want to call it, headlight surround, because ours was broke and missing a huge chunk out of the corner there. So he picked this up for us, and huge shout out to him. Really awesome guy. Can't wait to get that all painted up and put on so the truck looks good again. We're also going to paint up the front bumper. But anyways, guys, that's coming in future videos. So stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't. Throw a thumbs up on this video. That's going to be it for this video. So see y'all next time.